I've been here 2 years and I don't think I've ever seen it like this.
I have not seen this either. This is crazy.
We've been living there for 2 years, but I don't think I've seen it like this.
Did you see that car that Honda right there?
Oh yeah.
Just slid down.
Well, hell, they had that little Mini Cooper that slid and then it came sideways most of the way. I was looking out of my bedroom window. Tapping thing.
This is not good.
No.
I was down on
Austin Bluff is just trying. They're trying to close Austin Bluff right now.
I was down on oh shit, you can
Yeah, yeah.
Oh, he's done. Oh shit. Watch out, watch out.
Watch out down there. They need to close this fucking street up before
They do.
get to this side.
There is people up there trying to like redirect traffic. I was down there at that light and I just saw like cars, just like a parking lot, so I turned on Rio Grande.
Yeah. Well, it started with this. It started with that car. Actually, that white car right there was the first one that got stuck like in the middle of the street. That was the only one, and then these other people kept coming. And it's like, you see them stuck. Why do you keep coming up this fucking hill, man?
Oh shit.
Oh, no,
He's
no,
done.
No. Oh, get out of the way!
Oh damn.
This is a fucking death trap up in here.
I got it on video. That's terrible. This is bad. This is really bad. Look, you hear the car?
Oh yeah.
Oh shit, there goes another one.
Don't get in the street, man. Do not get in the street.
This guy's hitting every car coming down.
Get out of the, man. Get out of the street. Just get out
Oh
of the
shit. Watch out, watch out! Oh Jesus. Oh shit, here comes another one. Oh shit. Jesus. Oh my god. Oh my god, are you alright? That shit sucks. This sucks, dude. Look at your car. Is this your car?
Yeah!
Look at your car. Oh my god. Your trunk. Oh my god, here comes some more. They need to stop people up at the top.
Over here by the Safeway on Powers.
Oh my god, this is like...
Yeah. It's still fighting. Everyone's fighting stuff inside of the road and fucking cars are still fucking fighting. It's... I don't know, I haven't really looked. I'm trying to find the fucking car that hit us.
Is insane. Oh my god.
Everyone's videotaping.
Oh my god. This sucks.
Yeah, we almost did.
Jesus, look at these cars. Damn.
Gotta get everybody's license plate to hit you? Yeah. Yeah, you get enough speed slamming on other shit. I even told Terry, I said, well, shit, I thought I had my hauling people out of here? Because that's what I did last time. This is too much though, man. They just need to quit coming up that fucking hill.
Oh my god, this is insane. Here comes somebody else. This guy thinks he can make it up the hill with cars in the middle of the street like this. Oh shit, I'm about to slip. Oh shit, here comes this guy. Oh, damn. Here he comes. Why did he really think... Not a good idea. Not a good idea at all. We got another one in the mix now.
He's up here, don't worry. He's out of the way.
Oh my god.
I'm an Oreo cookie. I mean, my car.
Yours ain't gonna be worth much, man.
This is so bad. What the hell?
I can't even get in.
Damn, why did that dude got... Did you see that guy? He's going up the hill and he freaking thinks he can make it.
What happened with me?
We tried to tell him.
What an idiot!
You can't go.
Why did you... Oh my god.
Well. God damn it.
This is fucking madness.